Base passenger fares remain unchanged. Supplementary charges to be levied for superfast trains. Reservation fee, carkage, cancellation and Tatkal charges marginally increased. Freight tariff linked to fuel price adjustment from next financial year. Freight tariff to be revised twice a year. Setting up of Railway Tariff Regulatory Authority proposed. Highest ever plan outlay of over 63,000 crore in the railway budget. 500 kilometre new lines, 750 kilometres doubling and 450 kilometre gauge conversions planned next fiscal. Indian Railways joins select 1 billion ton club running more than 10,000 ton load freight trains. 67 new express trains, 26 passenger, 8 DEMU and 5 MEMU introduced. Routes extended for 57 trains. Frequency of 24 trains increased. New educational tourist train Azadi Express connecting the tourist places related to freedom movement. Mumbai Suburban Network gets new AC EMU rake apart from 72 additional services. 18 additional suburban services for Kolkata. Rake length of 80 services in Kolkata and 30 services in Chennai increased to 12 cars. Dedicated freight corridor project enters next stage. Land acquisition for nearly 2,800 kilometers goes to completion. Contract awarded for Kanpur Khurja section. 2 more contracts for development of 1,500 kilometers to be awarded this year. New forged wheel factory at Raebareli, mainline electrical multiple units manufacturing industry at Bhilwara in Rajasthan, Sonipat in Haryana to get a coach manufacturing unit, modern signalling equipment facility at Chandigarh. Construction of new 11 crossings stops, more than 10,000 existing 11 crossings to be eliminated during the 12th plan, corporate safety plan to be introduced for 10-year period from 2014. Automatic signalling systems to get train protection warning systems, new self-propelled semi-bullet trains to provide accident relief, crash-worthy coaches with anti-climb features to be introduced. 8 companies of women RPF personnel to be set up for security of women passengers. RPF to recruit more personnel with 10% reservation for women. 104 important railway stations identified to attend to all aspects related to cleanliness. Mechanized cleaning facilities on platforms, progressive extension of bio-toilets. Automatic ticket vending machines, coin-operated ticket vending machines and Jan Sadharan ticket booking Sevak services to be extended. Pilot projects to facilitate passengers in contacting onboard staff through SMS, phone call or email. Good news for tech geeks, free Wi-Fi on several trains. 60 stations to be upgraded as Adarsh stations. Introduction of Anubhuti coaches in select trains to provide excellent ambience and latest facilities. Aadhaar to be used for passenger and staff-related services. Next-gen e-ticketing system will issue 7,200 e-tickets per minute against 2,000 currently. Simultaneous login capacity to be increased to 1.2 lakh from 40,000 as of now. First-time state of Arunachal has been brought into the rail network. Work on the new railway line to connect Manipur in full swing. National project of Udharpur and Srinagar, Baramulla and other projects of strategic importance on top priority. Centralized catering services monitoring cell setup can be reached through toll-free number 1-800-111-321. Third-party audit of food quality and food testing labs. Target of 1,000 crore each for Rail Land Development Authority and Station Development Corporation to be raised through PPP next fiscal. Railways to enter with Rural Development Ministry for implementing some of the railway-related activities through MNREGA. New debt service fund of more than 4,000 crores to be set up to meet committed liabilities of debt servicing. Target to create fund balance of 30,000 crore rupees by the end of the 12th plan. Facility of complimentary passes extended to parents of posthumous unmarried awardees of Shaurya Chakra, Kirti Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, Veer Chakra and other presidential and police medals for gallantry.